Yes, so may I'll keep saying what I'm saying. Let Igbo go. Tinubu free Igbo people to go. Nnamdi Kanu has been locked up there for how long now? You guys are not making any progress in this case. He's a human being, not a dog. He's a human being, not an animal. And I'm not gonna press somebody finish. Keep see they lock him up for no reason. It's getting too much. It's getting out of hand. If we no say, we go be like say we no get mad. Now we are coming out to speak our mind, to express ourselves. Free Nnamdi Kanu for us. He's just fighting for the freedom of his people. He didn't do anything wrong. If he did, show us proof. If na wetin we go crucify am together, we follow kill am. Kpai am if na say do bad thing. If he no dey harass anybody, if he's coming out just to free his people, let him be. That is what I'm here to say, nothing else. This marginalization and oppression has been going on for too damn long. We can't take it anymore. We want a freedom. We want to be free. Let's have that little sense of freedom that we once had before. If you guys cannot bring things together, you guys will let us go. We don't even need you again. We don't want Nigeria. We don't want Nigeria. We want just do on our own. Make the Igbo do on their own. Make the Biafra do on their own. We are not the first to ask for it. We are not the first to ask for it. We want to be independent. Give us our referendum. Let's be free. Free from this Nigerian catastrophe and bondage. It's killing us. They kill me. That is what I want to say now. It's hurting. It hurts me so much to see my mother and my family in pain. I don't want it anymore. I want to be free. If it was like that, I wouldn't be here. If things were the way it's supposed to be in order, somebody no go dey suffer. Now because of challenges of how things is going, that will put some people to do what they are not supposed to do. Because of the situation on ground, yes, I will do my part. Don't say that I'm lazy. I'm not a lazy man. Yeah, I can walk, but the surrounding that the surrounding I find myself is not suitable. It's not worthy of my presence. So I want to be where I am appreciated, where I am seen, where what I'm doing is showing. I want to have that sense of belonging, and Nigeria is not giving it to me. I want to be my own. As a referendum freedom man, I want to be free for my people. Biafrans need their freedom, give it to them. Nigeria, give Biafrans their freedom. They need it. It's what they have. It's what they are fighting for. It's what Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. You guys have locked him there for so how long? Yes, making so much crisis going on in the southeast. Why? Why so? We can't take it anymore. Things are going wrong day by day. We just keep short, and you guys are not doing anything about it. You are not helping the case at all. You said you are in Nigeria and see a country fly out. The vice also is out. The Senate come out and saying all sort of rubbish to us. Which kind people be that one we go sit down for there? When Igbo man came out to do election, you guys rigged it. Peter Obi came out. A good man for that matter. And now everything when they talk, they ring for our head. Just go back and watch his video. You go see everything when talk. It's just happening one after the other. Things are getting worse, manipulating things, spoiling everything for us. And the same will continue to stay. I'm not staying again. No. If you like, call it a rebellion spirit. I'm not rebelling against anybody. I'm not with arm. I keep raising my hand up. I'm not with arm here. I just came to express how it is to me. I'm not carrying going for any here way day. I'm a free man just coming out to say as it is. To me, that is what I want. I'm expressing myself now in this little place that I am. I want my freedom. In what way? Let Biafra be free. Give Biafra their referendum. I want to be among my people. When I am there, I have the sense of belonging. I feel comfortable and relaxed. Then I can do my thing that I'm doing and to put more effort in the land. Please, Nigerian government, I beg. We no go fight you. I beg, we go still dey beg you. Man, I free Nnamdi Kanu. Don't too dey there for long. Don't too suffer for there for long. That man no do anything. He no do anything to deserve that place. You guys kept him for so long. One thing be say, if you talk, nothing go still happen. In fact, I'm not even scared again. I'm still positive. You guys will understand, And I'll be human being now. Now still the same body that I'm shape and that I'm having that you are also having. You not get two head. Nothing different from your body apart from everything that you're having is what I'm having. Your personality is just a different thing. You can change that. Change your personality, abeg, and free Nnamdi Kanu for us. Free him, make him get us Biafra, abeg. I say remind your boy Anonymous. Peace out.